You've heard of sharks and whales, but have you ever seen one of the oldest fish alive today? This is the sturgeon, a living fossil. It's barely changed in over 200 million years. Yup, it swam with dinosaurs. It can grow longer than a car, but it has no teeth. Instead, it vacuums up food from the riverbed like a prehistoric Roomba. Some sturgeons live over 100 years, and their eggs turn into one of the most expensive foods on Earth, caviar. One fish, older than dinosaurs, worth more than gold. And it might outlive you.